Welcome to MI Technology Speech Frontend demo for conferencing applications. This is a DSP processor. We're using Shark 21489 for the processing. This is the 4 microphone array for the input. And this we're using for the downlink data to give in the reference input because we've already used the 4 inputs for the 4 microphones on the processor. And this can be replaced by any SoC. And this is a speaker that is used for the playback reference. And the processed out is recorded on the Audacity tool on the PC. Now let's look at the demo. For the speech frontend performance, let us play any music as the reference input. So as you can see, the AEC removes the playback completely. Let us bypass the AEC or speech frontend. So I'm using the push button 1 which corresponds to the speech frontend performance. Let me bypass it. Let me enable it again. So this is how the AEC performs overall, and you can see LED 1 and LED 2 are on. When we bypass it, all the LEDs are off. Let me enable it again. So you can see LED 1 and 2 are on. Also, as we can observe from the recording, the playback is totally removed while my voice is sent clearly to the uplink. So the double talk also performs well with the AMI Technology Speech Frontend. Let us look at the beamforming performance. LED 4 to LED 8 tracks the position of the active speaker. Suppose if I am in the center, LED 5 and 6 must be on. If I go to the right, LED 7 and 8 should be on. If I go to the left, LED 4 and 5 should be on. Let us see how this works. Presently I am in the center of the array. LED 5 and 6 are on. I am going to the right of the array. LED 7 and 8 must be on. I am coming to the center again. LED 5 and 6 should be on. Coming to the left of the array, LED 4 and 5 must be on. Coming to the center again, LED 5 and 6 should be on. Coming to the right, 7 and 8 must be on. Center again, 5 and 6. Left, 4 and 5. So this is how the direction of arrival performs, which is indicated by the LEDs. Let's perform another test for beamforming, wherein a noise source is placed out of the axis of the array. Before we perform the beamforming test, make sure the 3 LEDs are on. LED 1, 2 and 3. The push button 2 corresponds to the beamforming test. When you push it once, it is disabled. When you push it again, it is enabled. Let me play some noise. So as you can see, the noise is removed. Let me disable this. So as we can see, the noise is recorded. Let me enable it again. So the noise in the off axis is totally removed. This is how the beamforming works. Once we are done with the beamforming test, press push button 3 which corresponds to the default settings. By default, LED 1 and 2 are on and 3 is off.